Hi everyone, this is Mike Vortex. Long time no see. So I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do splits for beginners. So I don't know how to do splits into two parts. If you want to know how, you're just gonna have to do the thing, following things. So right here you can see the edit button. Then you click on edit, see where the split boundaries. Go there and then split. And then you move it around a bit. I just had to edit some parts here. So I was working on the voice lines for what would be in store for 9 audio stuff with this event. I'm not into the Venom though, so here's what I want to work. Here we go. Oh my gosh! Be careful, Mr. Bob! There's a lamppost in front of you! Split up too late. I had to edit the part because it was a for mouse, but it's actually because I have a headset, a new headset. Also I gotta remember the lines very well, and also now I will be doing the voice lines. So just something into a little tutorial on how to edit and split. And bonus, if you want to do part, so edit, click boundaries, and join. So ta-da! Just a little tip, and it is that something of what I'm doing right now. I won't be on very long after tomorrow because I go to the 18-20 program. Anyway, I hope this will be helpful. I'll see you guys around. And as always, this is Mike and Vortex off, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!